Should you consider adding direct mail to your marketing mix? Consider a time when you received something in the post that wasn't a bill or a pizza menu. Did it bring a small spark of joy? That feeling is key to this month's topic of direct mail. Direct mail is a highly targeted marketing approach that involves sending physical promotional materials like brochures, leaflets and postcards to your target customers. And while it might feel outdated in today's digital world, there are some unique benefits that are worth thinking about. There is less competition for attention. In a world where digital content is constantly fighting for our focus, our postboxes are often left empty, leaving a quieter space to capture attention. There's also the emotional impact. Receiving something tangible can create more of an emotional connection, particularly when mixed with some personalisation. And advances in technology. There are so many more options around design, print materials, and targeting that weren't available before. So could direct mail be the missing ingredient in your marketing mix? Tune in, because next week we're going to look at some creative campaign ideas.